Learning English, Introduction to Basic Vocabulary, Family Members. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this video, we will focus on the topic of family members, specifically immediate family members. Today, we will learn about children, specifically sons and daughters. So, let's get started. Sons are male children. When talking about sons, we use the word son in singular form and sons in plural form. Here are some examples. My son's name is Alex. He has 2 sons and a daughter. It's important to note that the word son can also be used more generally to refer to someone's male offspring, regardless of their age. For example, we can say, "She's a proud mother of 2 sons." Daughters, on the other hand, are female children. Just like with sons, when talking about daughters, we use the word daughter in singular form and daughters in plural form. Let's look at some examples. Her daughter is studying medicine. They have 3 daughters and a son. Similarly to the word son, daughter can also be used more generally to refer to someone's female offspring. For instance, he is a devoted father to his 2 daughters. That concludes our lesson on children, specifically sons and daughters. Now you should have a better understanding of how to use these terms in English. Remember, sons are male children, while daughters are female children. Practice using these words in sentences to become more comfortable with them. We hope you found this video helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. Stay tuned for more lessons on family members and other exciting topics in our English language learning series. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.